So in the previous question, so we got the equation in sine, but when we draw the graph for this equation in the Desmos website, we are not getting the right answer. So when I observed it clearly, I told you that sine graph should start from the mid value and it goes to maximum and it then reaches mid and it goes to minimum like this. That means it should be an increasing graph. So the point where sine graph starts is should be increasing. But here by mistake we have taken it as the mid value is correct. The mid value is correct. But here if you observe carefully, here the graph is going downwards. So this is not the starting point of sine graph. This is not the starting point of sine graph. Okay, so let me find the value of C. That means here the mid value of C and graph is starting at, what is the mid value of here? 1626. So it is minus 21. That means here, and here the graph is increasing. So that means C is positive 2. C is positive 2 for sine, because the sine graph always should be increasing like this, but here it is decreasing. So this is not the correct way to find C, but here uh, if you can find, that will be the answer. Okay, so then I can plot the graph, you will get the same answer. C value I'll put as plus 2. So yeah, so I think it is 1 2 at 21. Okay. Yeah, so for sine we should take minus value, don't know why. So it will be 5. Yeah, the formula is, yeah, 5 sine pi by 8 into x minus 2. C value we have to put that. That's correct. C value if we have to put 2 here, because C is 2 here, because the graph is starting from 2. So then it will be correct. That's it. Yeah. So C is actually minus 2 here. Okay. So our equation is x minus C. So if you put 2 here, it will become, so x minus 2 minus 21. So that's perfect.